Hello everyone, if you have been following me on my Instagram as well as on my YouTube channel, you know how much I love ColourPop as a cosmetic brand. ColourPop keeps launching every single week and it is very difficult for me as a content creator also to keep up with them. But yes, over the years I have tried a lot of products from them and I do like to still buy more from them and try it and give my experience as well as thoughts on these products. Yes, it gets a little overwhelming and confusing at times what products to buy from them because they have so much to offer us. So this video is going to help you in many ways and understand what you should be looking in future. Still, there are a lot of followers of mine say they have never tried ColourPop. So this video is going to help you, and do not buy these products in full price from Instagram pages because it gets a little expensive. If you have money you can spend, then go ahead and buy one. But if you have a budget, then wait for the Black Friday sale, or I would say strictly from October till February you can grab a lot of these products because they have some amazing sales. And why to have a hassle of buying it directly from the website? Instead, just go through Instagram pages because you do not have the headache of going to custom office and getting the product for yourself. So all that small information is given to you because I don't want you to again ask me the same question, how to buy it. I buy everything from Instagram pages, and when my in-laws or my sister-in-law is coming to India, then I order directly from the page and they get it from me, so I save there a lot. So if you have friends and family in US, buy directly from the website. Why to pay extra? Okay, so all the information given, let's get into these products because at the end of the video I'm going to be talking about some ColourPop products which you should not be buying. So watch the video till the end. So ColourPop as a brand has a lot to offer us, and frankly speaking, when I was taking out products for this video, it was pretty difficult for me as well what I should be recommending you because I don't want you to get disappointed after your purchase. But when I see this basket, I feel I have picked up the right products and I'm really happy about myself. So the first product is something related to your face, and I think you should definitely grab one for yourself, is the ColourPop All-Star Matte Blur Primer and the ColourPop Tutti Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Primer. Both the primers are good. One is inexpensive, one is little expensive, but on the site it is just for $10 and $12. India mein thoda महंगा हो जाता है. But both the primers are into cream form, they are sticky, and they just give you the right foundation application and give you that nice luminosity. These two primers will give you an actual feel of a high-end primer, and for the price you're definitely getting a high-end primer here. This is very close to my, I would not say close, but in texture wise I would say it is very close to my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. So here you are just paying $10, there you pay close to $2,700. So yes, a high-end primer in a very inexpensive pricing. And the other primer which you should be eyeing is the Pretty Fresh one, which is really good for winters, I would say. I would not suggest to wear this primer in your summers if you're a combination to oily or an extreme oily person, because you may not like it. Because sometimes we just don't like the texture of the product. It's not the way the product performs, it's the texture. So you may not like it, but I personally like this primer in this kind of weather as well. So yes, this is something which you should be eyeing from ColourPop. Moving on to another Pretty Fresh range, their Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. They have more foundations, but I would say this one is the one you should be buying. Reason being, a lot of you want to have a foundation which doesn't make you feel you're wearing one. This is the one. I have never come across a product like this by any brand. Seriously, honge, but mere paas nahi hai. But this one is definitely something which I will go ahead and buy again. So I think I should restock this product because मैं काफी इस्तेमाल करती हूँ इसे, and this just seamlessly blends into my skin and give me more of a skin finish. इसको लगाने के बाद you will not even feel that you're wearing a tinted moisturizer. It has a lot of tint going on, so it is basically your shade in a moisturizer form. So if you are not a person who likes to wear a foundation, you will definitely like it. So if you haven't tried this product by Colourpop, then I would highly recommend you this one. So now you have like two wonderful face products to try from Colourpop. The only problem where you will face is picking up the right shade. So how did I pick up my shade? मैंने 2 बार foundation initially खरीदे हैं Colourpop के, and I went totally wrong. So whatever swatches you see, if you feel this is my shade, if you feel this is the shade I should be picking up, do not pick up that shade. Pick up at least 4 to 6 shades deeper than the shade you saw, because the photography is something, plays a very crucial role here, and I would say the photography is not done right. Yes, so you have to be cautious when you're picking up your shade, and I told you how to pick it. Pick up deeper shades. Okay guys, so my battery died and somebody rang the bell, so I just took a break of 15 minutes because something was getting fixed in the house. So as I was talking about this Pretty Fresh foundation by Colourpop, I highly recommend you. If you're looking for something like this brand has done it, and for the price you're getting a lot of product here. So I constantly use this, and summer mein though this is one of my favorite foundations to use. Reason being, light hair, and in summers I generally do not like to wear a lot of foundation on regular days. Even if I'm going to mall or normal shopping, this foundation is good to go. So this is something well done by Colourpop, and something which you should be getting for yourself. Moving on to a product which is very old with Colourpop, and they keep launching more shades in it, is the Colourpop Super Shock highlighter. Now मेरा personal favorite है ये highlighter भी, दूसरा मुझे ये formula ही बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So if you want to have a highlighter which is not into a jelly format or a liquid format, or for that matter a powder format, then this is something which combination of all three. It is buttery, it is smooth, and it just gives you that nice highlighter. Something well loved by me. This is in the shade Flexitarian. I have a shade called Churro as well, which is discontinued. You should try the shade called Lunch Money. That is also a very complimenting shades to Indian skin. So I have given you 3 options to pick now, but Churro you will not get it. Flexitarian on the other hand is a shade which you cannot wear it as a highlighter. Instead you can use it for like highlighting your brow bone, your nose tip, even the inner corners of your eyes. So this is definitely one of those highlighters which you want to grab. So I have not done my inner corner highlight. Why not show you guys how it looks? So let me just grab a mirror, or else we can go wrong. So I have not put an inner corner highlight, and you saw that. I don't know how much you can see because I'm sitting really far. So this is how it looks. It just adds that nice intense highlighter. Maybe I'll show you on the bridge of my nose. That's how it is, booming. And I'll just quickly fix it with my fingers, and then you can go in with this kind of a highlighter on your brow bones, just to give a nice definition to your brow bone, as well as highlighting it and giving it more of a snatched look. So this highlighter by Colourpop is one of the highlighters which you should be getting for yourself. Now you can see how popping it is, and this shade in particular is one of my favorite shades. I would highly suggest you, if you are not a person who likes their powder products or powder highlighters, then you will like their Super Shock highlighter, something which you should be eyeing for yourself or getting for yourself from Colourpop. So many makeup they have launched so far. So one of the products which you should be eyeing. Another same kind of product into an eye format which you should be getting for yourself is the Super Shock eyeshadow. Now not everybody is a fan on these eyeshadows, but I personally feel Super Shock eyeshadows are like easy to go eyeshadows. You do not need too much of blending with these shadows. I have this shade as of now. This is the shade called Super Hardcore. Again, अगर आपने इनको खुला रख दिया है तो they dry out. So I have maintained my highlighters and eyeshadow because I do not keep them open. एक बार use करने के बाद I close them tight and done. The quality, the way they perform on the eyes is stunning. I just love all the Super Shock highlighters as well as their eyeshadows. Instead, I would not suggest you to go in with their Super Shock blushes, because I think they can go a little cool tone on the skin. So I'm not a person who like cool tone blushes, you know me. So highlighter and shadows you should be checking out. So moving on to some more face products, something which I feel Colourpop has done it so well and I am obsessed, and one of them I cannot get it anymore, and that is also the saddest part. So अगर Colourpop पे आपको कोई चीज़ पसंद है, any particular shade, get it. It can be restocked like 3-4 times, but after 4th and 5th I don't see it getting restocked. So if you have the money, you can spend it, then get it. This is again something well done by Colourpop, another lovely product, the Colourpop pressed bronzers. Yes, they don't have too many shades, but whatever they have, you can definitely get yours. So this is something well used by me and I personally love it. This is one of the most used bronzers in my bronzers vanity, as well as I like the formula on this one. This is matte bronzer, blends seamlessly into the skin and give me the perfect bronzed face. And you can see the pan, I don't know how much you can see, but this pan is completely gone. It's dirty, it's all over the place, because if I have to pick up that bronzer where I don't have to use my brains, this is the one I will pick it up. Again, the formula is really good, smooth, buttery, blends easily. Since we were talking about a bronzer, let's talk about another product into their powder products, their blushes. Now, Colourpop has a lot of blushes, different formulas, but this one in particular is the one you should be going for. The matte blushes, the pressed powder one. But this one in particular is wonderfully done. Again, this is the shade called Whistle While You Work, one of the most used shade by me. I have more 3-4 blushes by them and I love all the pressed powder blushes. Again, pigmentation, blendability and the texture of these blushes are really good and they stay for long. So if you haven't tried blushes from Colourpop, then you should be eyeing some blushes as well. Now I have seen Colourpop when Colourpop was just a small baby and it has grown to such a wide, big, huge brand that they have launched so many different things over the years. There is one palette which I bought from Colourpop long time back and I still have it, and I do miss this kind of palette in Colourpops now, and I feel that Colourpop should come out with these kind of palettes again because they are just wonderfully done. This is the Colourpop Double Play Face Palette. This has 2 shades and I absolutely love this palette as well. This has a bronzer and a highlighter. This is a pressed highlighter. This was though my first pressed highlighter by Colourpop, and the bronzer is stunning. Again, a palette which is well done by Colourpop. You will not get this palette, but I wanted to show you this because this is my absolute love. I have it past, I think, approximately 3 years I have this palette and I still use it. If I'm traveling, this can be one of those palettes I will just dump it in my bag and I'm good to go. And this palette is really handy. It has a right bronzer and a right highlighter for my kind of skin tone. So again, something which I'm waiting for Colourpop to come back, like get it back to us. Maybe different shades or different palette layout, but we definitely need more face palettes now because eyes palette, there is no end to them. So if obviously I'm very small content creator, Colourpop is definitely not listening to me, but I hope and I wish that they get some more face palette. Let's move on to another wonderful product, and I feel Colourpop has so many colors to choose from, and for the price you get an amazing product here. Is the Colourpop gel eyeliners. Yes, they have so many colors, so many, and I feel as they keep launching, the quality of the pencil has also improved. At least when I see myself buying them and using them, when I have bought recent gel liners, I feel the formula has been improved considerably. Now it has become more smoother and more pigmented. Let's just swatch the white one for you. And this is an amazing shade. Okay, so I'm going to show you. You see that? I did not even put a lot of pressure. This is like one swipe, and this is how it applies on the eyes as well. So again, something you should be eyeing from Colourpop. Well done, the good formula, gel liner, stays longer, do not budge, and you have so many colors to choose from. I'll swatch another one for you, the deeper shade which I have used the most. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so it has become really smooth now, it's breaking because of summers. You saw that? Again, one of my favorite shades to use, and this shade you can actually use it for your brows as well. This is the shade called Brouhaha. So yes, another lovely product by Colourpop. If you want to grab anything in future, those liners can be part of your basket. Moving on to some eye products. Let me just finish the eye products, then I'm going to move on to lip products. So I have like a million palettes, let me be real here. And I don't know how many palettes to recommend to you, but if I have to really recommend, then I can recommend these palettes to you. Now I'm not saying go and buy this palette only, because by the time you go and buy, it will not be available, or maybe there's a situation where they have discontinued the palette. So you have to be mindful what you are picking up. So one of the palettes is one of my favorites and I have used the most, and this is into those 9-pan palette family. So Colourpop has these wonderful monochromatic palettes which you should be eyeing, and do not just buy haphazardly. At least see the colors, shades. Do you see yourself wearing those shades? Then only buy them, or else there's no point buying 100 palettes and accumulating everything in your vanity. Buy palettes wisely. Okay, so this is the It's My Pleasure palette by Colourpop. Again, something well done by Colourpop. You see the shades which are happening here? Oh my god, I have used this palette so much. Sometimes I feel I will finish 1 or 2 shades also. Now the reason of me loving this particular palette is that the shades are purple and pinky. Secondly, they are not the typical purple or very loud pink. It has a lot of warmth going on. And the shades, the way they lay out their shades is stunning. You never get confused with these kind of palettes. So yes, if you haven't tried monochromatic palettes by Colourpop, then you should be eyeing these ones. And they have more palettes, but monochromatic would be my first preference, because you get 9 shadows, you pay a little lesser here, and secondly, you do not get confused. So pick up your right 9-pan palette. So this is one option. You can go with for the brown sugar. I don't know if it is still available. Then there are a few more palettes which I don't remember as of now, but definitely this one is to go for. And since I have already shown you a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, you should definitely try that 12-pan eyeshadow palettes as well. And I'm going to show you something brand new which I have already reviewed on my channel, is the Boudier Noir palette, which come into another family of shades as well, where you get more mauves and berries. This one is my personal favorite. Again, these are the palettes which you should be trying for yourself, because you get 12 shades to try on. They are well pigmented. Yes, you may have a little bit of fall off, but I do give it to the shadows, but you will see the shadows on your eyes. Again, something well done by Colourpop, and I feel Colourpop is one brand where you should be getting eyeshadow palettes, because they are inexpensive, good quality palettes. No other brand can give you such good shadows in such less price. So yes, another option I give you. Again, well done palette hai ye bhi, and you get a full size mirror. Here you pay a little extra, but I have noticed that Colourpop has really raised the price on their palettes as well. So if you can get them in discount, then get it in discount. Do not wait for another offer to happen, because you may just not get the palette anymore, because they have been discontinuing a lot of their older palettes and face products as well. Saying that, let's move on to the last segment, lips, and then at the end of the video I'm going to talk about the products which I did not like from Colourpop. So I have tried a million lipsticks from Colourpop, but I have to really pick one, then I would suggest you this formula to try. I have not tried their newest lipstick formulas. I would like to get my hands on few, But whatever I have tried, their ultra matte, their matte, their satin matte finish, their lip glosses, their luxe lipsticks, their luxe cream finish lipsticks, luxe matte lipsticks, I feel this is one lipstick I would suggest you to go for. This formula altogether is the luxe lipstick in the creme finish. Yes, you should be trying their luxe lipsticks. They're really well done. They really make you feel that you're wearing a luxury lipstick. And look at the packaging. This is also luxury. Let's be real here. So yes, these are one of the lipsticks which I cannot get bored of. I still buy more shades from them. I have stopped buying any liquid lipsticks from them because I feel bas ho gaya. I do get liquid lipsticks in India also now and in drugstore. But these luxe lipsticks are definitely out of the box, a little different from so many bullet lipsticks I've tried. And ColourPop has done an amazing job on their luxe lipsticks. So if you want to have a good bullet lipstick and you want to buy from ColourPop, then creme finishes you would like to get one for. Now let's move on to some lip products. Now ColourPop has a lot of lip products to try on. And as I said at the intro of the video, it gets a little overwhelming and confusing what to buy. I have tried their ultra mattes, I have tried their satin finish lipsticks, I've tried their luxe lipsticks, creme matte lip glosses, so much. But if I have to really recommend one to you, then it has to be the luxe ColourPop luxe lipsticks. Oh my god, I was getting a little confused here. So these are into creme finishes. They have the matte version as well. Why creme? Because I feel this formula adjusts to the weather. So if I wear this lipstick in this weather also, it's not going to bleed or be glossy and go here and there. Instead, it just adjusts to the weather and sit on the lips perfectly well. Though I like the formula because it is pigmented, it covers up the whole lip and really make you feel as if you just applied something very expensive. So yes, the formula is really good and you're paying pretty less for these lipsticks. So yes, agar koi lipstick leni hai to get this one. I have not tried their newest lipsticks, so I will soon get few and give you my thoughts on them as well. But if I have to really recommend after using so many products and so many lip products, it has to be this one. They have discontinued their satin finish lipsticks, or else I would have recommended you those as well because they are also really well done. Moving on to glosses. Now ColourPop has some stunning glosses, and if you are a gloss person, then you should be getting one. First one I have is this gloss by ColourPop, is in the shade Bluesy. They are these typical liquid lipstick format ones, and they have a brush applicator. Again, I like the applicator on this one, and this is a really nice shade as well. So when I wear this gloss on my lips, oh my god, I just love it, love it. Okay, why not put a little gloss as well and show you how it is. So I'm wearing a matte lipstick, and now I'm wearing the gloss. Now you can see how nicely it has given me that shine of the lipstick, but the lipstick is not sticky, not goopy, and it's not going to move your lipstick. So if you haven't tried a gloss from them, then you should, because I have like 3 shades from them and I do not buy a lot of glosses. ColourPop is one brand I'm dedicatedly using and I see myself buying more. I've already ordered 1 shade. So yes, that much I love the glosses by ColourPop. So this is the one which you already saw. Next up, I have another gloss, something more interesting, and this works. And for the price, you're getting a really good product here by ColourPop. Is the ColourPop So Juicy glosses. So if you haven't tried So Juicy glosses by ColourPop, these are more of a plumbing glosses. So basically, before wearing the lipstick, just apply this gloss, leave it for some time, and then you can remove the gloss and wear your lipstick. What basically it does, it just give you a more of a plumbing effect. That is one way. The other way I like to wear it is that I wear it on top of my lips. This is how this product is supposed to be used. You wear the gloss and you get more of a fuller lips. So if you have like smaller lips, do not expect to increase in double size or something, but it's just that it is just going to give you those fuller lips. So again, a well addition by Colourpop, something I absolutely love. I am planning to get 3-4 more shades. They have a small kit I'm planning to buy, and I'll be sorted for years. Now moving on to the products which I did not like from Colourpop. Yes, this day has also come where I will talk about these products, and I have used them. So after using them, I have made up my mind that I would not suggest anyone to buy these. And yes, sometimes when you keep using the product, now your experience with the product also changes. So yes, let's talk about the first one, and this one is one of my recent purchases as well, and I've done a full review on this product as well, is the Colourpop Love Story Pressed Powder Blush. Now I have already shown you a blush which I highly recommend you to buy. That is a matte blush. Do not buy these blushes which has shimmer, because they do not display on the skin well. They have a lot of kickback. They are really powdery and chalky, and they are all over the place, but not on your cheeks. So something which I did not like it. This is one of the saddest purchases also I did. So yes, something which I would not recommend you to buy from Colourpop. Instead, just go and buy their matte blushes. So do not fall for the stunning, lovely, cute packaging and the shine on the blush, because it is not going to appear on the face. So I'm really not happy with this one. So yes, this is the first product. Next up is a product which I don't have it in my hands to show you, is their Jelly Mud Shadows. Now, when you get the shadow, you like it, you love it. But if you do not use the product regularly, then you may end up having a dried jelly mud shadow in few months time itself. So the product is not going to last longer in the pan also, which is closed. So what happened, I bought a product, Jelly Mud Shadow. I used it like 3-4 times and I forgot about it. And one day I thought, let me just take it out and use it, and it was completely dried down. So this should not happen, because I was not even opening it. So it should happen when I open the product and keep it in open air, but it dried down by itself. So I don't know what happened, but if I'm paying 800 rupees for Jelly Mud Shadow, then I should at least use it like at least 80 times. So yes, something which I would not recommend you to buy, but it's like a mixed feeling on this particular product. The pigmentation, the performance is really well. It's just the drying part which I got a little disappointed. So yeah, this is another product which I would not recommend you to buy. Now let's move on to another and the last product which I would say that you should not be getting from Colourpop is their BFF mascara. The reason I'm saying you should not get them, because initially when Colourpop launched these mascaras, they were really well done and I absolutely loved them. But as and when I started buying more shades from them, I got a little disappointed. Reason being, after 10 to 15 uses itself, you will feel the product is drying very quickly. So you will have more of a dried brush. This which I did not face with my black mascara, that was my first purchase I did. So yes, the mascaras also, the quality has gone a little down. I don't know what they have done to the formula, but this is what I felt with my new mascaras which I bought later, the pink one, the maroon one. And you have not seen me using them because they dried down in the bullet itself. Very quickly they dried down. So yes, the mascara is also something more of a disappointment by Colourpop, and you should not be putting your money in mascara. So those were some disappointing and so many wonderful products to try from Colourpop. Everything will be linked in my description from where I buy these products, but buy these products in some sale offers. Do not buy them on full price if you're buying from Instagram pages, because it can get a little expensive. But in Black Friday and so on sales, you will definitely save a lot more than normal days. I buy all of my international makeup products generally in sales, and that is why I can grab a lot. I have done dedicated reviews as well on most of these products on my channel. So do check them out if you want to have more of a detailed review on every single product. So I hope you loved watching this one. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek. I will be here soon with some more makeup, some more skincare, some more review videos. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.